probably going to make a couple videos, but first I'm going to show you my Amazon, which isn't a huge amount, but I'll show you what a couple things that I got. The other things are in upstairs. I'm not going to get them. I'll just tell you what they are. I'm going to do some of the cups and do some kind of like fake bake on the top of the glass cups, but I've got to get the wrap. So I don't know if I'm going to purchase the wrap or try to make them myself. Anyway, the reason I'm telling y'all that is I want to do what they call the snow globe. It's where it has the, liquid in them. So what you need for that is you need these syringes, because they, with your solution, you put the solution in the syringe and then it goes in the hole of the glass. Okay, so I got these and I'm waiting for the other liquid that I ordered on Amazon to come in. So I can't do anything until I get that, and that's supposed to be in another week or so. So I got these to use with it. Other thing I got was Halloween. I think when I decorate for fall, it's going to be more on the Halloween side. More of a retro, if you will. Not just because a lot of times I will decorate for Halloween and then go into fall. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to decorate early for Christmas this year. And I got through Amazon, which I love the retro. And I haven't opened these yet, so I'm opening them with you. Now, these are supposed to go outside. I doubt that I will do it outside, to be honest, because these can get wrecked really easy. But look at these. Isn't that so cute? These are so adorable. So some of these I'm going to put in the house in my decor. Look at that. And these are nice size. These are at least 12 inches. Cauldron. And these are taken all from vintage pictures. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that one is so cute. That is really cute. Oh, look. Look at the black cat. Oh, that is so adorable. I love that. Yeah, these will be pretty to decorate with. So like I say, I mean, I'll have pumpkins in my garland, but I'm not going to rush to take down my Halloween stuff. And as soon as October is just about finished, I'm going to go right into the beginning of November, I'm going to do Christmas. So I got that. That's from Amazon. A tree. I'm bringing it down like this because it's tall. It's about 27 inches. And it's resin. And you have to put in the branches. But I can't put it up. I'll show you when I'm done. I'll bring the camera down. But I got these. And these are from Huina. I guess that's what you'd put in. There's 36 pieces here. And it's still on the lines of and this is for the hangers. But look at these. Aren't those adorable? Look at that. They're so cute. Again, Amazon. I think there's 2 of each, 2 or 3 of each. So I'm going to put some on the tree. I'm going to decorate, I probably will decorate some fake bakes with these, maybe a cake or something. And maybe a cloche. Put some of these in a cloche. Oh, look at this one. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I just love these. I think I showed you. Oh, here's this one. I love crows too. I love black cats, crows, the pumpkins. I like all of it. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing, but I'll decorate the tree along with you. But I'm going to put these, instead of that box, I'm going to put them in a Ziploc. I'm telling you, I buy so many Ziplocs, it's not even funny. The Dollar Tree, they have pretty good ones actually. But these will stay in the Ziploc when I take them out. So I'm going to put all of these back in here. And take a screenshot and see if that's what it's called. I'm not sure. But yeah, these are going to be cute to decorate with. And I might put some of these on my 2-tier or on a banner. Again, from Amazon. And the tree was from Amazon as well. And then I got these. These are all different silicone faces, because I want to try my hand at some more clay work. I'm not going to take all of these out, but they are different faces. You really can't tell much anyway right now. But this is what I used when I made my Santa. I made a Santa. Okay, this is a bigger face. But when I make these, I'll show you. And I got some eyes a while back. Some are resin, some are glass to put in these. And to me, they look better than trying to paint them. Unless you're a really good artist that can paint eyes really well, this is a good alternative. Then I bought some more of the Fimo, because what I want to do is I want certain things that I'm going to make to be baked to where they will stay solid and stay on whatever I put it on. So I got the 30 color, and these are all, what do you say, like sample colors, if you will. But a lot of the things that I'm going to start making in the beginning are little. So it's half the size of what you'd get if you bought it. Usually, if you put another half to this, that would be the regular size that you'd buy in the store like that. But they have lots of colors. So that's going to be fun. And I got the Fimo because it's the soft, well, not real soft, but I mean, when you warm it up in your hands, it gets softer. I mean, I like working with the air dry clay better, but the Fimo is going to work better for what I want to use it for. So, if that makes sense. So anyway, that is my haul from Amazon, not a big one. Okay, and here is the last thing I wanted to show you. This is from Amazon. I love the booze signs. Isn't that cute? I'm hoping that Dollar Tree has the ones that were like really cute. The one like this, the wooden one. I'm hoping they're going to have that one again. This takes, I think it's two each AA batteries. Let me see. Yeah, it does take two AA batteries. So let me how cute. Isn't that cute? Really cute. Guys, I wanted to show you. I made some of the molds out of the air dry clay. This one, I don't know. I guess it's supposed to be like a, I'm not sure. Of course, I'm going to put eyes in it and hair and all that, but maybe a frown. That one has me perplexed. This one is more of an adult face. Looks like a man to me. This one is a little kid. That one's really cute. I like that. Now you could leave their eyes shut or put eyeballs in or paint eyeballs. This one here, woo! I don't know what that one is. I'm gonna try that one again because I don't know about that one. This one's a baby. Look at the little ears, tiny nose, not much facial feature. That's a pretty one. Sorry, too close. This one is an older person. And then here's another little kid. Anyway, overall, I do like these. I'm just not sure about that one. And that one. I'm going to try to mold that again. That looks like Chucky. Doesn't that look like Chucky? Anyway, so I just wanted to show you after the haul, this is what it looks like. Okay? When I do something with these, I'll bring you with. This was from Amazon. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can.